with standard tankage, so you can see why it was considered it would make a good reconnaissance platform. Perhaps even more cleverly, she suggested fitting pipework to divert hot air from the engine exhausts across the lens of the starboard belly camera so it wouldn't fog up at altitude. After the war as well, there's been quite a high survival rate amongst the Lockheed 12s. Just 130 were produced, and I think there are 5 in Europe alone still. As I was intimating, this aircraft is not as advanced a design as the Lockheed 12 that we saw it with. For its time, it was pretty advanced nonetheless, being quite simply a monoplane with a retractable undercarriage. In fact, it was the first RAF aircraft to use that configuration.
Although it did become clear fairly quickly that the Anson wasn't really adequate for coastal patrol. At a cruise speed of less than 140 knots and an endurance of 4 hours, which wasn't enough to patrol the North Sea.